Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to see who sent you tell on Tellonym. Now, firstly, to see who sent you a tell on Tellonym, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Tellonym application on your device. Now, I am assuming that you have already posted a link for people to send you a tell. And now you can use this Tellonym application to see the tell or messages on Tellonym. Now firstly, to see the messages, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this inbox option on the middle of this menu. Go ahead and click on it. Now on this menu you can see the tells that come to you and the people who sent it to you. And if you want to remove the anonymous factor and see who actually sent you tells, to see their name, you'll have to buy the premium version of Tellonym by simply going on this application and using it to pay money and buy it. I hope this video helped you to see who sent you tell on Tellonym. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.